And my name is Herbert Fatidis. I'm calling you from the Greenpoint Tennis Club. I'm calling you from the city of Cape Town.
Hello, sir. This is Mr. Johnson.
Have you heard of me, Park Nixon?
No, I don't know who you are.
My lovey, we do not sell beers on the tennis courts.
Okay, I don't appreciate being called my lovey.
Okay, my darling, I'm sorry, I won't call you my lovey anymore. So if you want to go and bark at your other property, you're welcome to do that.
That's got nothing to do with you.
Okay, I understand you are of age where you should be considering your life insurance now.
I'm Park Nixon. I run the show, but shut your mouth.
Okay, well, one of our members, Warren, wants to say hello here as well.
Lauren, I'm sorry. I had to do it.
You are such a...
Lauren, it's Whackhead Simpson here. Hello.
Okay, guys, off you go. Kill me when the cops arrive.
Ciao, bye.
Ciao.